I'm Kelly, and I'm an illustration artist, and if you're like me, then the rise of AI is really terrifying right now, especially if you're in the start of your art career like I am. And basically, I'm going to tell you why I'm changing plans to basically become a full-time artist one day, and maybe it will give you some ideas or some courage of how you can take control of your art career without worrying about AI ruining your whole plans. First things first, what is AI art? And as an artist, you probably already are aware of what AI art is, but for the sake of this video, let's say you don't. AI art is generated through a AI program like Midjourney or a few others, and basically all you have to do is you type in a few keywords into the program, and then it will scrape the entire internet of every art piece, every photo that's been posted on a public domain to try to recreate what you envisioned with your words into the program. And I'm not going to go into the morality of it and why it's a bad thing in that sense, but I'm going to tell you that it's already impacting the art industry in a negative way. Early last year is when I wanted to take my art career seriously. I wanted to do it full time. I wanted to inspire younger artists. I wanted to make art that meant something to me and an art style I love. And at first I was super optimistic. I was super excited and things like that until August. August is when AI art started running a little rampant and started becoming really concerning. And basically, what do you do when you are wanting to start an art career and realizing that something's going to ruin the whole industry and you might not be able to live your dreams because an AI can do it better than you? It can make art faster than you. It can make art way higher skill level than some of us might ever be, really. And there's no way you can beat it skill based. And I realized that, and I felt like my dreams shattered right there. Because there's no way I'm gonna beat this program. And I started looking oh, maybe I can still open a store, but I started scrolling through Etsy and I realized people are actually selling AI art as prints and stickers and things like that. It's just a matter of time before they do commissions through AI art. But I had to figure a way out to kind of come up over the AI, and since I can't do that skill base, the only other thing that we have that the AI doesn't is a soul. We have feelings, experiences, inspiration, and the AI just has software, has data. And so we have to take advantage of what we have over the AI. And so we have to sell ourselves in a way. That sounds horrible, but we have to be on social media. We have to show our inspiration, show tutorials, show journeys that we go on with our art to overcome AI. We have to connect with people, and that's why I'm here on YouTube and TikTok and not Instagram. Instagram, I swear, is the opposite of that. But yeah, we have to overcome AI with just our pure personalities and feelings. Now, I hope that this encourages you and shows you that there's a light at the end of this AI-filled tunnel, that we can try to overcome this obstacle that's been put in our ways now. And I plan on doing that through connections and social media and kind of inspiring and giving tips and tricks and tutorials. And I really want to eventually get really good with filmmaking because I want to make some cinematic art journeys, really, and I want to get better with animating, and there's so many things I want to do now. So I actually feel quite excited that there was this obstacle. And right now my content isn't the best, but with all art forms, I'm sure it'll just get better with practice. And if you want to take a similar journey, don't be scared, just do it, just jump in. Honestly, it won't hurt you. If anything, it'll give you a new art form and a new hobby. Anyways, thank you for joining me on this tangent, and I hope you'll stick around, and I'll see you next time. Bye!